Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change your Steam name and in the full guide for it. So let me show you how you can do it. So I'm in here for Steam's Help Center. So you can find your Steam ID in your edit profile. And if you have never seen a custom Steam community URL for your account, your 4-bit ID will be shown in the URL under the custom URL box in the format of like this. If you have set a custom URL for your account, you can delete the text in the custom URL box to see your account's 4-bit ID in the URL listed below. So you can also change your Steam ID or Steam account name. Your Steam ID and Steam account name cannot be changed even by the Steam support team staff members. Your player name can be changed at any time in your profile um, in settings under edit my profile page. So that is how you know your Steam ID or Steam account name can't be changed, but your profile or your player name can be changed. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.